The widths of your columns and the height of your rows can make a big difference on your workbook's look and usability. You should aim to keep these consistent where possible and use them strategically to fit information in the best way possible. You can change the widths of your columns by dragging these dark gray edges between your columns. You can also do precise changes by selecting a column and using the shortcut Alt-H-O-W. And if this was too small, I might increase that to say 15. You can have multiple columns selected and make the change all at once. And if you've got information that doesn't quite fit into your cell, let's just type that out for this sake. You can double click on this and it's going to expand the column to fit the information that's within it. Now, if you just want to use your keyboard to change your column size, you can hold down Control and press space, and that will select the whole column. Then you can hold Shift and use your arrow keys to add other columns to that selection. Then we can use that shortcut Alt-H-O-W, or we can go to here, Format, Column Width, and set a column width for all of these. Let's make them all 12 or 14, for example. You can format rows in a similar way, but instead of Control space, you use Shift space to select a row. You can also just click on the row number and hold Control to select multiple, or hold Shift to select all rows between two different row numbers. And once you've got these selected, let's say I want to make all of these ones taller, we can use Alt-H-O-H and say let's make these 20. Alternatively, you can use this format drop down and choose row height. So let's undo that to get them back to normal height. Let's say that we've got, we like these column widths, but we also want to use them over here as well. You can copy and paste column widths by using Control C. Let's from I onwards. Let's make these 5 have that same width. We can just select here, Control Alt V, and choose W for column widths. If I type W, it'll use that shortcut, and those column widths will be pasted here.